just came back from Marshall's and swimming my play date with Hazel. And I got this. It was so cool. I needed it to first time sleep in my room. But forget about that. So, here's the Pikmi pop. Let's check some stuff. It glows up on 3 different modes. So we're gonna open it. You can see it says super soft. It's so soft. And we're gonna open it right now. Since I can't, there's helper for everything. Also, you need a batteries and coolant. So let's go. And here she is. And she's doing it. Oh my god. It's so annoying. And here it is out of the box. And here's the instructions. There's Puppy and a cat and a blind bag. Let's open it. Let's see. Let's see. There are some cards. And it's like, it's cute and I don't know what it is. Okay. Let your light shine. Oh, I know where the batteries have to go. And the batteries have to go in here. Oh. And these batteries. And we're going to look at the instructions before we play with it. It's going to get a little boring. So, there is a mouse you can get. And a bunny. And there's also a unicorn. But we got the dog. I love dogs. It's called Pikmi Pop Jelly Tree Surprise. There's the box. And we're gonna get it out and see. Let's see if it can glow in my mom's room. Maybe my room. And I'm gonna go and just keep looking in instructions. And remember, before you do anything else, first, before instructions to know, then just look at instructions and find out. Close, but you can't see because we're not in the place where we can see the kitchen. It glows. And we're gonna do in the bathroom. That's pretty dark. And this will be crazy weird. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much. Bye.